Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today behind me I have a 2022 East to West Della Terra 271 BH. This is a bunkhouse model, so that's what the BH stands for. Really nice coach we got here. We got your pass-through storage right under there. You also got your connect cable right on there so you can plug in direct. We got our two different entrances here and they both have solid steps, so that's really great. You can the second entrance actually leads to the bathroom. So while you're having parties out here, you can totally just have people, if they want to use the bathroom, they can go straight into the bathroom on that second entrance. Whereas this one is just straight into the living space, which is really convenient when you're hosting guests. You also have a place where a refrigerator would go, and that's super nice. Let's go inside of this coach. So as you come in here, if you're gonna look up to the left here, this is where your controls are gonna be. So if you need anything as far as controls go, right up there to the left, super easy and convenient. Coming on in here, you can see we got the light interior in this coach with the couch, as well as the dinette here. The dinette and the couch, they do both convert into sleeping spaces, which is fairly nice for when you're hosting guests or just if you have kids or just people that come and camp with you, you can totally do that too. Taking a peek over here, you got your kitchen. Really nice countertops, deep sink, stainless steel, and you got a removable nozzle too, so you can spray your kids and other people too. You also got storage here on the top with some audio gear. Checking that out, which is quite nice. You also got your microwave, 3-burner cook stove, and as well as the oven. You got ample storage down here for your utensils or any other rags or anything. If you're also handy too, you can go and access the piping down below for the sink, which is awesome. You also got your fridge and your freezer, if I can open it, goodness. Super beautiful, spacious, everything that you're gonna need for your camping needs, honestly. Another big cool thing about this coach is that they have the separate pantry, which is really awesome. Look at that pantry. Sheesh. You could fit so many things really in there. It doesn't have to just be a pantry space. It can be anything that you want. But it's super huge and lots of space. Like I said, this is a bunkhouse, so you also got these two bunks here. They're both with light interior. They do have electrical outlets, and as well as those USB ports and windows and lights. So your kids are in there or whoever's in there can have their entertainment needs, but also feel like they're having natural light in there. Take a look at that bathroom. Super beautiful. On the left, you got your medicine cabinet with your sink. And we talked about that door, and that's where the door is. And you also got that walk-in shower, which is quite nice. And super easy access from the outside into the bathroom. So when you're doing that or when you're hosting parties, they can just go straight into there. Here you got your entertainment center. We got the Furrion TV. Yes, this does swivel as well, so you can watch it from anywhere inside of the room. You got more cabinets here. You can put entertainment things in here as well as on the bottom to make it look decorative and beautiful. And you also got your fireplace there to keep you warm at night, because we all know it's starting to get a little cold out there, huh? Coming into the separate bedroom we got here. Take a look at this. We got our king-size mattress. We do have electrical outlets and USB ports on each side. You can put your CPAP machines, charging for your phones, anything on both sides. You can even use these as wardrobe closets. And yeah, as you can see, we got more light in here, which is nice. Super beautiful. And these are also lighting up too. You can just press the middle of them and then they'll just go ahead and light up there too. Super nice. And you also, on this side of the wall, if you want to go and check in here, you can mount a TV in here, which is quite convenient. You got your cables hooked up there and your light switch on the bottom. Before we leave this room, the last thing that I want to show you is the storage on the bottom here. You see these springs? The springs actually bear all of the weight, so when you pull up, you don't have to be super strong and hold it. It's gonna do that for you. So convenient while you're camping and really easy to close as well. But yeah, this is the 2022 East to West Della Terra. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to go ahead and give me a call, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.